Let me get my fingers away. Oh man, that's so clear.
Is it?
Yeah.
That should work, maybe.
The concentration is.
More stuff in the mail.
I hope so too. Oh god, that dropped on the floor already.
I mean, it's an AC Delco one, so.
Only weighs 3,000 pounds.
It's so heavy.
No.
Leave him alone.
Oh yeah, that looks right.
Ooh.
Flippy. Oh yeah, look at that rubber in there. That's nice and solid.
Brand new.
It's not throwing its guts like yours.
You got to push on it. Spring load. Take it, turn counterclockwise.
Oh, what are you doing? Did you get into your box yet?
Snooping.
Did you get into your box yet?
No, I've just been watching you.
What's your box over here? What you got in the box? What you got in the box?
You bought me gifts.
What's that for?
This right here is a ridiculous box.
We're gonna.
I'm not gonna open it yet. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna show them more of your car first. Let them wonder what it is.
All right. Have fun.
She's a little stiff. It hasn't come apart for a while. Don't take the shop very long to get dirty again. Yes, sir. Yeah.
So you said I want to
Skeleton and clothes.
unhook this too, right?
Yeah, you'll have to unplug that guy. The pickup coil is in right here in your server. Pickup coil and the ignition module is on the distributor.
It's getting close for this.
Take out.
Headers are hooked up. Yeah, we already talked about that in the other video.
Take big tabs off this. We'll show it back.
Fuel regulators up here. Pumps all installed and ready to go. It's just wiring, and
There you go.
Dusty's learned a little bit about how this works. Yeah.
That don't look too bad.
Uncap and rotor.
Don't wipe it on that board. Oh, there it goes.
The old pump shaft's probably off right now. It means you gotta turn it. It means the old pump shaft should be sitting like that. I gotta get it out of the drill.
And I cut my finger off.
Again.
Let's see what we got here.
What you got in that bag? Hopefully we got stickers.
Open it, Dusty.
That'll be sweet. There's some stickers in there.
Off paper.
All
Hey,
right.
that's what
Yes.
we've always wanted, guys. More paper.
Ooh, is it a sticker?
No.
Oh.
LS swap the world.
Yes. I like
So I
that.
wonder who this is for. What vehicle could this be for?
Nice.
My truck, maybe?
Yeah, it could be for your truck. honestly.
No, no, no. Oh, whoa.
Whoa, bro.
What?
Think of it, what?
Got some
Whoa.
merch in the house.
All
Got a
right,
carabiner.
let's go.
Oh, look at this.
Nice. What's that? Ooh, and a pen.
And a pen. Very nice.
Nice. Look at all
Cool.
these goodies.
So, here's what we got.
Just a couple things.
Just a couple things. What did you say it was? A stage 3 drift kit?
Drift cam.
Drift
This is
cam.
a stage 3 drift cam kit. For
Yeah.
Michigan Motorsports for the 5.3 LS engine.
Let's go, baby.
No stickers, though.
No stickers.
No stickers.
I guess we got a pen and a lanyard.
Yep.
Yeah, can't beat that. That's
But
pretty sweet.
let's be real. We're sticker people.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
It is. It's been a little while since I've updated, but things have escalated rather quickly. Probably gonna fire it up sooner than later. We got the fuel system all done, motor in, carburetor mounted. All the fuel lines tucked and ran underneath. Got our fuel sailed in the back. Pump all mounted and all ran. Got my shifter mounted. We're just booking her along. Before you know it, we'll be in Indy ripping it, letting her eat. So satisfying.
Thing about having a detail shop right on the corner of the highway is that our buddies are always stopping by with cool shit. Eric just came by today with his Jeep and look at what he got put on. Look at that. These things are huge. Literally the video is not going to do it any justice. Then shortly after he pulled up, Tim pulls up in this.
But I need to find an elbow for that because that's into my fuel line. Need
Oh.
a shroud, which I ordered.
Oh yeah, big block.
About a week ago. That's a real 50, about a 396.
No, it's not. That's a big block.
500 horses.
This thing's got a Muncie 4-speed. Look at that interior. It's even got tilt wheel. Brand new vinyl top. What do you think of that?
That's a dream.
For a low bar, but I'd take one of these.
Right?
I was thinking, can I put this in it?
You could, if you didn't want to hurt.
I'd be scared to hit the wall. Yeah, we got a couple of units stacked next to each other here. Units just drop by all day long.